Today we shall discuss the derive the expression for input resistance for current shunt feedback. Okay, input and also output resistance. First, input resistance. Step 1. Draw the equivalent circuit current shunt amplifier. This is the circuit for current shunt amplifier. IS source current, IF is equal to beta. This is a feedback. Okay, input resistance, and this is feedback amplifier. Next, R naught output resistance and load. Okay. Next, step 2, obtain expression for IS. IS from this circuit, we can write that IS is equal to II plus IF. You can observe here, incoming current is equal to outgoing currents. That is, IS is equal to II plus IF. IF is nothing but beta into I naught. That is what we have substituted. Okay. Step 3. Obtain expression for I naught in terms of II. So I naught is equal to, we can write I naught is equal to AI into II into AI into II divided by R naught plus RL. Okay. AI into II into R naught divided by R naught plus RL, that is equal to capital AI into II. AI is nothing but A small I into R naught divided by R naught plus RL. Next, step 4, obtain expression for RIF. Okay. Substituting value of I naught from equation 2 into equation 1, we get that IS is equal to II plus beta into AI into II. If we take out common II, then you will get 1 plus beta into AI. Okay. The input resistance with feedback is given as RIF is equal to VI divided by IS. That is equal to, we know the value of IS is II 1 plus beta into AI. Okay. AI is nothing but this one. Okay. This value. RIF is equal to RI divided by 1 plus beta into AI. Okay. From this expression, we have written that Ri divided by 1 plus beta into AI. Ri is equal to Vi divided by Ii. Okay. Output resistance. Now that current shunt feedback. Now we shall solve the output resistance. First step is draw the equivalent circuit. Equivalent circuit, this is a equivalent circuit for output resistance. Just we will make the open circuit here. You can observe this is a open circuit. We will make open circuit load. We will disconnect the load. Equivalent circuit with IS is equal to 0. We will make source as 0 and we will disconnect the load. Okay. Step 2, obtain expression for I in terms of V. Applying the KCL to the output node, we get that I is equal to V divided by R naught and minus AI into II. Okay, that is what current I is equal to V divided by R naught minus AID into II. The input current is given as II is equal to nothing but minus IF, that is equal to minus beta into I naught. Okay. So beta into I. Okay. Minus I naught is nothing but I. Is equal to 0. So I is equal to what you'll get? I is equal to minus I naught. So we substituting value of II from equation 2 in equation 1, we get that I is equal to what you'll get? V divided by R naught minus AI into beta into I. Okay. We know the value of AI, II. So substitute II value beta into I. So V divided by R naught is equal to I plus AI into I is, if you take out I as common, then you'll get 1 plus beta into AI. Okay. Next, obtain expression for R naught F. R naught F is equal to V divided by I. That is equal to R naught 1 plus beta into AI. Okay. R naught F dash is parallel with R naught F parallel with RL. Okay. You can observe in the figure, R naught F is value R naught F parallel with RL. That is what R naught F dash value. R naught F dash is equal to R naught F with RL. If you solve that, you will get R naught into RL, open bracket 1 plus beta into AI, close bracket, divided by R naught plus RL plus beta into AI into R naught. Dividing numerator and also denominator by R naught plus RL, we get that R naught F dash is equal to R naught into RL 1 plus beta into AI divided by R naught plus RL whole divided by 1 plus beta into AI into R naught divided by R naught plus RL. If you take out LCM and if you solve, you will get R naught dash is equal to R naught into RL divided by R naught plus RL. This is a R naught dash. If you solve this expression, you will get, this will be get cancelled. So you will get R naught into RL 1 plus beta into AI divided by this, you will get here, okay, R naught plus RL plus beta into AI into R naught, okay, but that we will take as R naught dash here. R naught dash is nothing but R naught RL divided by R naught plus RL, okay. This expression will become R naught into RL divided by, okay, R naught plus R naught plus, okay, R naught into RL divided by R naught plus RL, okay. Okay, this will be, again this will be similar, okay. Again 1 plus, instead of 1, what you will get, 1 plus beta AI into RL, okay. This will be R naught is equal to R naught dash is equal to R naught into RL divided by R naught plus RL. 1 plus beta AI will be same, okay. Here also what it will be, here if 1 plus beta AI it will become, okay. AI is nothing but here R, AI is nothing but AI is equal to AI into R naught divided by R naught plus RL, okay. Derive the expression for input resistance and also output resistance for a voltage and feedback amplifier. First, we shall discuss input resistance. Draw the equivalent circuit for a voltage shunt amplifier. First, we should draw the voltage amplifier, voltage shunt amplifier. This is the circuit. For that, input is current, okay, output is voltage. This is a trans resistance amplifier. Next, step 2, obtain expression for IS. Okay, by using circuit diagram, we need to apply KCL and we need to get the equation IS is equal to II plus IF. That is equal to II plus beta into V naught. Next, step 3, obtain expression for V naught in terms of II. By using circuit diagram, V naught is equal to, we can write that V naught is equal to Rm into Ri and R naught Rm into II into R naught divided by overall resistance, that is R naught plus RL. Okay, this they have written as, okay, this they have written as capital RM. Okay, this they have written as capital RM. That is RM is nothing but R small m R naught divided by R naught plus RL. Next, step 4, obtain expression for RIF. Substituting value of V naught from equation 2, that is 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 equal to II plus beta into RM into II. So if you take out II as common, 1 plus beta into RM. The input resistance with feedback, that is RIF, is equal to VI divided by IS, that is equal to VI divided by, we know the value of IS, so substitute, you will get this. RIF is equal to RI divided by 1 plus beta into RM, because RI is equal to what? VI divided by II. Next, output resistance. Draw the equivalent circuit. To find out output resistance, we will make source as 0 and we will disconnect the load. Okay. Same steps to be followed for to find out output resistance and also to find out input resistance. Okay, obtain expression for I in terms of V. Applying KVL to the output side, we get that if you apply KVL to the output side, what you'll get? RM into II plus I naught into R naught minus V is equal to 0. So I is equal to what it will get? V minus Rm into II divided by R naught. Okay, the input current is given as II, that is equal to minus IF, that is equal to minus beta into V. So substituting II in equation 2, we get that I is equal to V plus Rm into beta into V divided by R naught, that is equal to V open bracket 1 plus beta into Rm beta close bracket divided by R naught. Step 4, obtain expression for R naught F. Okay, R naught F is equal to V divided by I. So R naught F is equal to R naught divided by 1 plus Rm beta. Okay, they have used this formula. Okay, if you substitute the value of I, then you will get this expression. Okay. Next, step 4, obtain expression for R naught F. R naught F dash is equal to R naught F parallel with RL. If you solve this one, you will get R naught into RL divided by R naught plus RL open bracket 1 plus Rm into beta close bracket. Dividing numerator and also denominator by R naught plus RL, we get that R naught F dash is equal to R naught into RL divided by R naught plus RL plus beta into Rm into RL divided by R naught plus RL. This will become R naught F dash is equal to, this will be, they will consider as R naught dash 1 plus beta into Rm. This they will take as this they will take as capital M. Okay, R capital M. You can observe here. This is what? Output resistance. Okay. In next class we shall solve the problems. Okay. Before going to the problems, in last topic, same thing we have done. Okay. To find out the output resistance, you can observe here. To find out the output resistance, here dividing numerator and also denominator by R naught plus RL. Okay, here R naught plus RL get cancelled. Okay, you can observe here, this will become okay, R naught plus R naught into RL divided by R naught plus, when you divide numerator, we get R naught into RL divided by R naught plus RL. Here it will become 1 because here R naught plus RL it is there. So it will be get cancelled. So you will get 1 plus here beta into AI into R naught divided by R naught plus RL. Okay. Once again I will write here. Okay. This AI into R naught divided by R naught plus RL, that they will write it as A suffix capital I. Okay. Always remember same steps, okay, to find out the output resistance and to find out the input resistance. In next class, we shall discuss about the problems, okay.